and the other 3/4, running 1/4 of it, is apologizing because I haven't posted a video in about 7 months. So I hope you can forgive me. I'm really sorry. Sorry. And let's get to it. I have already preheated my oven. So step by step, I'm going to explain to you how to make a simple, easy cake. I've done my research. It's vanilla flavor, and I hope you enjoy. I have heated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I've also buttered my pan, and then I'm going to take a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of flour so that it's not so buttery. So I'm going to do that. You can easily butter your pan with thinning for a cake. What do you call that thing? A pan brush. And if you have, you can do it, but if you don't have, you can do it with your fingers. Then you have to spread the thing. Make sure you don't have people who complain a lot because of noise, because it's going to be pretty noisy. You also need to butter the sides so that the butter does not stick, the cake does not stick to the sides. But if you don't want to have a buttery cake, you can always use parchment paper. But you know what? You got to use what you have. Just going to spread that. Continue this process until your pan is completely covered up in flour and butter. Okay. And there you have it. You have a completely buttered pan, buttered floured pan. So I'm going to just put the remaining flour. A completely buttered pan. Then I'm just going to put this on the side so that it can, dissolve. Then I'm going to wash my hands because you need a you don't want a dirty cake full of germs. So the next thing we're going to do, you're going to need 2 cups of flour, sugar, eggs, salt, baking powder, vanilla extract, and lemon extract. The lemon extract is optional, but I don't know if you want. It's your choice, not mine. So we're going to separate the egg yolk from the egg white. I'm going to need 2 bowls. For this, we're going to make a really huge cake, but you don't want your cake to be too eggy. Oops. You know what's fine. Just going to hold that. Let it. If you have an egg separator, you can use that, but it's not a must. This is what you have, Again, I'm really sorry for not posting videos. I'm super busy with exams and stuff. You can do whatever I'm doing, this process. It's much faster and easier, I guess. Put that. You're going to need to use what you have, because if you have an oven, whatever. If you don't have, you can search for a cake that doesn't need an oven. You never know, boy. You never know, girl. So we're going to do that. Come on. Take it. Okay. continue this process until you've exhausted all your eggs. So you might as well continue watching me. The egg yolk can go into the egg white can go into the egg yolk, but the egg, what am I saying? The egg white can go into the egg yolk, but the egg yolk cannot go into the egg white because we are going to fluff up this egg white. But it's not a must it be fluffy, but you know, you need some flavor, you know. There's something. I'm having this as dessert. I hope, it's good. I'm doing very many accidents. I'm just under pressure. If yours comes out like mine, like if you don't crack your egg well, it's fine. No need to worry about that. You can just use another egg. Okay, this is terrible. Crack. There we go. Now, as you can see, I've finished and we've exhausted all our eggs. So I'm going to put this on. Then I'm going to wash my hands. So we've separated these. Then we are going to add the sugar, the vanilla extract, and the lemon extract to this. So you're going to need 1 cup of sugar. Wait, what? I haven't really mastered it. Add sugar. So you're going to need 2 cups of 1 cup of sugar. You don't want a cushion cake. Okay, I've exhausted all my sugar. I just went to find another sugar packet because why not? I guess that's enough. Just going to put that here. Too much sugar. Then we're going to put 2 tablespoons vanilla extract. Let me just rinse this. It's a bit eggy. So I just moved my egg yolk mixture and the sugar to another bowl because it was too little. Then 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Whatever vanilla extract you use is okay. I don't use mine. It's all vanilla extract. That is if you don't like it. If you want your lemon extract, you can put, but I don't have lemon extract, so I'm not going to put. Then so I'm just going to set this aside and then mix the baking powder. I'm going to need 2 tablespoons of baking powder and 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 2 teaspoons of salt. Open it. You don't need to like stir it, you can just move it around. Let me get a spoon. So we're going to just, just move it around. And we're going to have to put this in a separate bowl. I think this one will do. This will take some time, but you know what? It's part of baking. Mix that. And then for the egg white, if you have a mixer, you can like put it in the mixer and just mix it until it's white and fluffy. But if you don't want it to be too fluffy, because you just need to mix it, just blend it so that it's a bit fluffy, just a bit. So I'm going to return back. It's going to make a lot of noise, so I'll see you in like 2 minutes. I'm still blending it. It needs to be fluffy. I haven't really stayed fluffy. Learn it, man. This will take some time, so you may as well watch me. Oh, by the way, this thing will stink at the end, so watch your nose. I think it's part of the process. As you can see, it's a bit fluffy, just a bit. But if you don't want it too fluffy, it's not enough. I'm going to do that, and then we're going to mix not just here. As you can see, all this is fluff. This is okay. Just going to open this thing. Okay, doesn't stick as much, but I'm going to put that in there. Then I'm going to put this mixture. Make sure it's really. I don't think you should use a beater or a mixer. Just mix with your spoon or spatula like this. Make sure everything is mixed well. Once everything is mixed well, you can continue adding flour. You need to add flour little by little so that it's well nicely mixed. I'm going to touch this. To keep mixing until the thing is well done. See when it's coming out. Just come closer and see. I don't want these lumps of flour. So you're just going to mix it well. If you want to know whether your cake is going to taste good, I think you can just take a bit and taste. It's going to be really nice. It's a bit floury, so I still need to mix it. Make sure everything is in there. I don't want lumps of flour in my cake. feel your thingy is too, your butter is too eggy, you can just add more flour. And voila! We're going to get the cake pan and first clear up. You have your cake pan, and I'm just going to put this here. Slowly, nice. So on Sunday. 3. Okay. Make sure everything's there. It might be a small cake if you have a big pan, but if you have a small pan, it might be a big cake. Depends on the size of your pan. If you feel your cake is going to be too small, you can always repeat the process again. You're going to have to spread it evenly so that the cake doesn't have bits and bobs. Make sure everything is in there. Now that everything is in there, I'm going to make sure. Then spread it evenly. Then we're going to open our preheated oven. Oh, it's hot. I'm going to do that thing. Then we're going to put it inside for 20 minutes. Make sure it's in the middle of the thing so that everything gets heated. I'm going to put our timer for 20 minutes. Then we'll check after that. I'll see you later. Hi. So my cake is done. I'm just going to take it out. You got to be really careful here because the thing is really hot. Take a toothpick or a fork and just stab it. It comes out clean. It's okay if it doesn't. It's not ripe yet. You see, because you can see it's very crispy. Just stab it in the back. I hate you. I love you. I guess it's nice and crispy. If you're not sure, you can just like flip this thing and check at the back. So whatever this thing, flip this thing. It stuck a bit, but at least it didn't stick a lot. So we're just going to put it's really good. But when it's baking, you need to keep checking so that it doesn't burn. If you want to reduce your eggs, you should, because it might end up too eggy. The crispy side, really nice. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'm sure you did. So you're going to have to click that subscribe button, the like button, and the notification button. And I'll see you next time. If you want more recipes, comment down below. And yeah, have a nice day, evening, afternoon. Have a nice day, night, afternoon. Thank you. Bye.